Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification button for more updates. So guys, Gogo skhotheni took to her Facebook page, guys, to announce the most sad news ever. So guys, in a statement, it says that MONDE Jr. has passed on, guys. So the statement reads, date September 2nd, 2024. It is with profound sadness that the Motswening and the SHANGE family confirmed the passing of MONDE Jr. SHANGE. MONDE Jr. departed this life at 15 p.m. on Monday, September 2nd, 2024 at Bush Emd Modderfontein Private Hospital. The family likely requests privacy as they navigate this deep and painful loss. We ask for your understanding and compassion in giving them the space they need during this difficult time of grieving. Psalms 23 verse 4 remind us, even though I walk through the darkest valley, I fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. At the end, guys, it said, issued on behalf of the Motswening and SHANGE family by Lolo Moripile. My deepest condolence to Gogo skhotheni and MONDE. Indeed, guys, it's not easy to lose a child. It's never easy to lose a beloved one. May his perfect soul rest in peace, and may God help them to walk through this and give them the strength to hold on. And please, guys, do comment below, and please, guys, do subscribe.